14 people. Jacob, you think you were first? Was you first? I don't know if he was first or not. I don't know if you were first or not. 33. What's up, Danielle? Mr. Adam. Vicky. What's up, Vicky? Oh, wait, listen. For those of you that know me, you know that I'm like I don't know, huge defender of our, just the rights in general. But the Second Amendment, I love it. It's great. It's wonderful. It's what keeps us free. It's hard to run over. It's hard to run over the people that you work for when the people you work for are armed. Okay? And I think that's one of the reasons behind our lovely Second Amendment. So, of course, I saw somebody posted something today, and I don't understand the idiocy behind some of the scare tactics. Somebody today was like, it's okay if somebody walks around and they have a gun on their hip. It's okay if they have a gun on their hip. I'm okay with that. But nobody should be able to carry an AR-15 around, because that you can shoot more bullets quicker through an AR-15 than you can through a pistol, so I'm not scared of a pistol. And to somebody like me who understands firearms, and to understand the way that most rifles work, most rifles out there are semi-automatic, and then you have your bolt actions, stuff like that. But the AR style, they call them the AR style. We won't even get into that talk. That's another talk. But they're like, you can shoot more rounds quicker through the AR. You shouldn't be able to do that. Well, you can, just so you know. This is a 15-round magazine. Okay? You can buy these in 30 if you want, which is what usually you stick into an AR. So you can buy this in a 30 for a pistol. Okay? You can have this for a pistol. And you're scared, or they are scared of the AR-15 because it can fire more rounds downrange quicker. That's their whole theory. It can fire more range, therefore causing more damage. For people like me, we understand that that's basically idiocy, because you can fire the same amount of rounds or freedom seeds downrange with a pistol. It just goes off of how fast your finger can move. It has nothing to do with the rifle or the pistol. Okay? When you're using semi-automatic weapons, which most of us have, it goes off of how fast you can do this. That's how quick you can do it right there. That's about it. And if you can buy one of these that holds 30 rounds for a pistol, and you can buy one that holds 30 rounds for a rifle, what's the difference? The difference is how far away a person is. If you want a rifle and there's a person 500 yards down the road, you might want the rifle. Okay? If they're closer, if you're inside of a building, you wouldn't want to use a rifle. At least I wouldn't. So, anyway, I'm not even really fast, okay? I'm not fast, and I'm not sick. I have earplugs in. So, anyway, just to show the people who think, for some reason, because they've been lied to, that you can shoot quicker with an AR-15 than you can with a pistol. I'm just going to shoot some rounds off with a pistol. Okay? just to show you how fast you can do it with a pistol. I don't know if they'll take this down. I don't know. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But anyways, just to show them, we'll go ahead and shoot some bullets. Okay? So we're just going to shoot some bullets. That's all we're going to do. We're not going to hurt anybody. Okay? But I want you to pay attention, because if you think you can shoot faster with a rifle, I'm not sure you can. We'll just see. Okay. We ready? I'm just going to shoot into the water of my pond. Okay, that was, for your enjoyment, 3 15-round magazines. There. I just wasted a lot of ammo just to prove a point. That it doesn't matter. Okay? I'm sure that the fishies swam away after the first bullet hit, by the way. Here we go. Isn't that amazing? It is. To me, it's amazing. Just the sheer ignorance that people spill when it comes to guns. I don't understand it. I don't see any floating fish right now. Let's see here. I just bought me a 45. Oh, did you? That's bullet abuse. Well, it's okay. I got more ammo in the house, and I won't do that again. Actually, to be honest with you, the rounds that I just shot are from the year 2007. Yes, that's how long I hold on to ammo. We can't believe you just wasted that ammo. It's okay. It's all right. Sometimes you gotta waste ammo so that people can see a video of why they've been lied to. Okay? So if you want, if Facebook even allows this video to stay on, share the video. Share the video to those people that say, "Oh, you can shoot so much quicker through an AR-15." You can't. It goes off of how fast your finger can move. Okay? And then, even at that was basically not really aiming. Okay? If you're going out there, you're gonna actually want to aim. And there are people that shoot way faster than that. And that wasn't even that fast. I was just showing. I was just playing around. So please, stop believing the idiocies that's being spread, okay? People are wanting to, I don't know, they're wanting to take one of, the second greatest right we have, and they're wanting to stomp on it, and they're doing it by passing false facts. They're not facts. It's just false. They're lies, okay? So, take this for what it's worth. Anybody who tells me, the AR-15 shoots a lot quicker, I just laugh at them. In my head, I don't do it out loud, like right at them, because, that's not really cool. So, Okay, well, hey, it's been real. I'm gonna go. What was this? What'd you say? Was that $3 a shell? No, I bought those in 2007 or 6 or something like that. I bought those back then when it was only like $15 for a box of 50, maybe even less. That's one of my old boxes. I have several old boxes of ammo. I'm pretty good. So yeah, all right. So if you like this, if you like me putting on a little bit of a rant, hit the little like button or that little check mark thingy, and please share this video, because there are so many people out there that really, honestly, they need to be set straight on what's truth and what's fact. And they're going to be voting, they're going to be voting for people that want to take away our Second Amendment right. And they're doing so because they have been lied to. All right? They've been lied to. And despite what our president says, who needs 100 rounds to go hunting? The Second Amendment's not for hunting, sir. I know you've been in politics a long time, but the Second Amendment wasn't made for hunting. You should ask somebody to give you a quick lesson on that. We love you still. I still pray for you, sir. And I hope you do a good job. But some things, I think that would need to have a little bit of a lesson on that one. All right. Y'all be good. And I think I'm going to go inside and start a fire, because it is going to, it's supposed to get cold tonight. So if you're in Ohio, it's supposed to get cold tonight. So I've been told. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Do we have somebody fun in here? Who we got? Well, I think we got somebody fun. Hold on. Are you working tonight? Well, you should know my schedule. Most people know my schedule if they watch. Unless, of course, I'm not coming in because I don't go in. Because I say, what is it? Raymond Bell? Uh-oh, Bobby said hi to Raymond. All right. Check out look at all that timber there. I get to turn those into 2x4s. That'll be fun. Good times. My backyard is wet. What the heck is going on? And look, there's nobody up there yelling at me, asking me why I made all that noise. It's good times, everybody. Is it a fake pond? No, this is real. Yeah, this is actually real. Okay, well, I'm going into my shop. So you guys have a wonderful night, because I'm going to try to have a wonderful night. That's for sure. Going to try to anyway. I mean, these bullets are old enough. Check this out. Look at the top of it. Look at it. Look at the back, how it's changed. That's how old these bullets are. Yeah, they still fire though. So they're good. Can you let Tony know I said hi? Possibly. That grass is green. Grass is always green. $15. One. Oklahoma along right now because of COVID. Cool, that's all you can do. Cool, that's all you can do. Kate's in here. How'd we get 87 people in here? That's weird. Your dirt is red. I'm going, what? I'm going to go back and watch a replay a little later. Oh, you are? Well, that's cool. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing good. I got no complaints. I got no complaints. And 15. What do we got here? And that's it for my defense bullets. Or is it? No, it's not. I can take them out of this 10-round magazine. I'm good. So we'll take them out of my 10-round magazine and put them into my 15-round magazine. Now the flag's coming along. Well, the flags have got to be finished. The flags are actually sitting down there. You see them all. I gotta put the finish coats on this. So, ain't done it yet, but we will. There's one. And there's two. Alright. And this can be trashed. Alright, guys. So anyway, I'm going to get on up out of here. You guys have a wonderful evening. Remember to be kind to people and be friendly. Life is too short to be nasty. And that is the truth right there. That is the truth. Oh, what's up, Mom? Hi, Mom. My mama's in here. My mama's in here. It always pays. It always pays to be in the know. And the more you know, the easier your life becomes, that's for sure. So, alright. Good jobs. Would love to see you go live at 10 instead of 11. I wouldn't probably be out in my car. Good times. Alright guys, I'm out. I'll talk to you later.